Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and earn loyalty points on American Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your American Airlines official page on your website. You can simply type on AA.com. So right over here, all you have to do is simply tap on this AAdvantage on top. You have to make sure that you have an account here in AAdvantage. You have signed up with that. Once you tap on it, you will be able to choose these options, which includes Advantage program. First of all, go ahead, tap on this AAdvantage program, where you will be able to study more regarding this. You can see earn 50,000 bonus miles, etc. First of all, if you want to earn more loyalty points, you have to add more mile here in the section. If you simply want to join them, you can tap on this not a member, join now. So right now over here, all you have to do is simply enter your information accordingly as it asks. Once you have joining in, you will be done, right? So when you go next time, you can simply again go back. Now again tap on this AAdvantage on top and tap on this earn miles. So once you tap on this earn miles, you can see how you can do it. Earn miles when you travel. You can do it by simply partner airlines, by simply traveling with partner airlines of American Airlines, or booking hotels with American Airlines, car rental, vacation packages and cruises, etc. So all the way, if you do it from American Airlines, so that way you will be able to earn extra miles. You can say you can even choose to donate over here to earn extra miles. Once you have done so, next time you would come over here and go to the checkout section and simply again tap on AAdvantage and choose to redeem miles. So once you redeem your miles, you will receive your bonus, and you can use that for your next checkout for anything, your hotel booking, your flight booking, or anything like that. So this is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.